How can I fix my JLab earbuds that won't charge?
Hello everyone. Today we're tackling a common issue with JLab earbuds, when they just refuse to charge. No need to panic though, as we're going to explore several solutions that should help you get your earbuds back to full power. Remember, safety is paramount when dealing with any electronic devices.
Why won't my JLab earbuds charge?
First things first, let's understand why this issue might be occurring. The common causes include issues with the charging cable, the charging case, the earbuds themselves, or even the power source.
How can I check my charging cable and case?
Let's start with the simplest solution. Check your charging cable and case. Make sure that your charging cable is not damaged and it's properly connected to the charging case. If possible, try using another cable or another USB port to rule out the possibility of cable or port-related issues. Next, examine the charging case. Ensure that the case is clean and the earbuds are fitting snugly in their respective slots. A simple cleanup of the charging case with a soft, dry cloth might do the trick.
How to reset my JLab earbuds?
If the issue is not with the cable or case, the next step is to reset your JLab earbuds. This process may vary depending on the model of your earbuds. Generally, it involves removing the earbuds from the case, pressing and holding down the power buttons on both earbuds for a few seconds until the LED lights blink, and then placing them back in the case.
What if my JLab earbuds still won't charge?
If none of the above solutions work, your earbuds might have a hardware issue. In this case, contacting JLab customer service might be your best bet. They can guide you on further troubleshooting steps or help you arrange for a repair or replacement if your earbuds are still under warranty. We hope this guide has been useful in helping you troubleshoot your JLab earbuds. Remember to always handle your earbuds and charging case with care. With the right steps, you'll hopefully get back to enjoying your music without any power hiccups. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.